Hi, I'm Dan with Cali, and today we're going to show you how to install the theft protector on the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. For tools, you're going to need a ratcheting wrench M10 socket, a 1/4 inch socket if you're going to be using the included T27 security bit, or a T27 security bit screwdriver. The included kit also includes the tailgate theft protector and 2 M8 security bolts. So first we're going to remove these 3 bolts using a M10 socket. Okay, so now you're going to replace those M10 bolts with these security bolts instead, and then you're going to use the included bit to install those, and then tighten it down and you're good to go. And that's how you install the theft protector for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as visiting Cali LED to get other awesome products just like these.